Make an easy faux Mardi Gras king cake. Mardi Gras is known as carnival season. It translates to Fat Tuesday, and this is the time where people can indulge eating all the delicious foods that they want before fasting for the Lenten season. When celebrating Mardi Gras, there will surely be lots of food and drinks to go around for everyone. A good idea is to bake your own easy-to-make Mardi Gras king cake. This is an easy recipe that you can make for less than an hour. Ingredients and materials. The ingredients that you need for the cake are dinner rolls, ground cinnamon, butter, and sugar. For the glaze, you need confectioner's sugar and water. You will also need to decorate your cake. Since this is a cake for Mardi Gras, you can go crazy with the colors. Add chocolate sprinkles, candy sprinkles, small tarts, nuts, and any other sweets that you can think of. Prepare a large dish to put the cake on. Preparation. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Measure the ingredients so that it will be easier for you to combine later on. For the cake, prepare half a stick of butter, a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Make the cake. Position the dinner rolls on your dish. Get a small mixing bowl and soften the butter. Add the cinnamon to the butter and blend well. Use this to coat the dinner rolls on your dish. Choose the shape that you want for your cake and roll out the dough. You can twist knots to make a design on your cake. Afterward, bake it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Add glaze to the cake. Get a small mixing bowl and measure half a cup of confectioner's sugar. Add water to the sugar. Add water gradually to get the right consistency. You want the glaze to be just right. If it is too runny, add more sugar. If it is still lumpy, add more water. Mix this and spread the glaze on top of the cake. Decorate the cake. Now you can add decorations to make your cake livelier. If you want, you can add food coloring to the glaze. Use bright colors that are associated with Mardi Gras. You can have purple and green glaze and mix a few drops of yellow food color to granulated sugar to sprinkle over the glaze. Add candy sprinkles on top. Another idea is to add Mardi Gras cake toppers to your cake or other Mardi Gras accessories such as beads or a crown. You can purchase them from the website Party Merchant. They have beads, masks, hats, and other items you can use for your party. Now you have a simple and delicious faux Mardi Gras king cake. Prepare easy meals to go with your Mardi Gras king cake. You can view a list of Mardi Gras recipes on the website Taste of Home, Mardi Gras recipes. They have a selection of appetizers, drinks, soups, and hearty meals that you can prepare for your Mardi Gras celebration.